What up, y'all? It's Lauren People, and welcome back to the channel. Oh, man. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to go from this to this. To accomplish this, all you're going to need is to have your hair retwisted, or you can retwist it and then go to attack this skill, some rubber bands, and that's about it. You may not need the rubber bands, depending on how long your hair is, because you'll just be able to wrap the hair around itself and kind of loop it into a knot so that it can hold its own. But really simple. Once you get the hang of it, I'm going to show you the technique how to do it, and then you can style it on your own to get the desired look you're going for. I went for something really simple because I'm on a time crunch, so that's why I did that. But the most important thing about this is me actually teaching you the technique to accomplish any variation of the look you saw before. So let's get into it. To see if it'll help with the way you view things. So I'm shooting into the mirror so that right looks like right and left is left. So if I say this, I don't know, we're gonna see. So hopefully it makes sense for what I think it's supposed to do versus just shooting it at me. Like, yeah. But anyway, like I said earlier in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first I'm gonna separate the hair how I want it to be for sections. So you can do this either way you want. I just know my hair works really weird, or it comes out how I need it to come out. If I do it like this, so this would be like one section. Section that off. Well, maybe twice. And then we'll do it again. Sorting done. So now what I'm going to do, because I don't necessarily like the way my current retwist looks and I want my style to be extra clean, I'm going to go ahead and put a little extra product. Like, I'm going to essentially retwist, I'm going to refresh my retwist, and you guys have seen me do that on this channel several times, so check the card section for a video of how to do that, because we don't want to be just retwisting completely dry hair. So we're gonna give it a little spritz, little spritz, and we're gonna put us some product on our fingertips. So you're gonna take your starting lock. Twist it down how you want, because this is going to be the first one to start your style. Then you're going to take whichever's your dominant hand. I like to wrap this way first. So I'm going to take that, twist it down, twist it down, twist it down. Twist it down, twist it down. You're gonna twist that on top of, see, this one's down, this is on top. Twist that on top of this one. Kind of like twist them together just for a little bit. Not a whole thing, you just need a base to start. Then you're gonna take the one next to it, twist down, twist down, twist down. Then you go on top. Wrap it a few times, just so you can have a good starting base. Whew. I'm already tired. And this light is blinding. So yeah. You got this. Take your middle one. Take the next one you're dominant with. Wrap it around. On top. So this. Top. Take the next one on top. Hold it, twist it around a few times. Up to here. Take the next one on the opposite side. Same ordeal. Wrap it on top. Wrap it on top. And then you just keep going. So this side, this side, this side, this side. As you get further back, you don't have to wrap it so many times because you have enough hair that's already wrapped. So you do this, you repeat this a bunch of times, well, how many more times you're doing, and then you'll be good to go. So I'm probably just gonna speed ramp through the rest of this because my arms hurt and y'all see me shaking. I'm like, it's a workout. So yeah, hopefully that taught you. If not, we can get on live and do this again. So that way it may make a little more sense, but y'all gotta get this video to like 100 likes at least before we get on live and talk about how to do this if it did not make sense, or spaz out in the comment section and we'll go from there. But come back with the final results and y'all be easy.